Hello! To set up a battery protection on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into battery, and right here we have battery protection, and we can simply enable this option by pressing this switch right here, and we can also go by pressing into this option. We have three types of the battery protection. The first one is the basic, which when your battery is reached to 100%, charging will stop until the battery levels drop down to 95%, and then the charging will start again. Here's the adaptive, which will stop charging at 80% while you're asleep, and it will switch to basic before you wake up, and the sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. And the last one is the maximum, and your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. So yeah, you simply have to select the type of the battery protection that you want. And right here you can also adjust, as you can see, this maximum battery protection. You can change the battery percentage, how much the battery should charge until the phone stops charging it. So yeah, that's how to basically set up the battery protection. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.